Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Windows Security. Press Start, type Windows Security and hit Enter. Once the app appears, make sure you run it with administrator rights because deletion actions need elevation. Now navigate to Virus and Threat Protection. This is where protection history is stored. While you do this, understand the why. History holds records of detections and actions, useful for audits. But if you need to clear it, continue to the next step. Keep your backups ready in case you need to restore anything. Now you access protection history to view logged events. Click Protection History and wait as Windows loads items. Once done, use the filters to narrow by detection type, date range, or severity so you only remove what you intend. You can select individual entries for removal when the option appears. Sometimes items are grouped, so expand details to reveal delete controls. Be aware, some entries reflect actions taken by the system, not active threats, so confirm each item. Finish by clearing the selected entries. Click Delete for individual items or Clear History when offered, and confirm the prompt. Once done, close Windows Security and restart to ensure the UI updates. If Clear History is disabled, run System File Checker and DISM to repair components, then retry as an administrator. Sometimes a service or corrupted store prevents deletion. If you still see entries, inspect Event Viewer for related logs, and use storage settings to remove temporary files. This resolves most lingering artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.